Hare Krishna, everybody. I'll start sharing the screen.
अभी लिखेंगे, ओके, वेट करो अभी।
Yes, 1 minute. Is it okay, Mataji?
हरे कृष्णा दीदी। दीदी हरे कृष्णा दीदी। हरे कृष्णा दीदी। जोर से बोल। हरे कृष्णा। हरे कृष्णा। हरे कृष्णा दीदी। What is your name? What is your name? जोर से बोलो, हरे कृष्णा दीदी।
Okay, so Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna Mataji. Spell with.
Hare Krishna, Palvit. It's good to see you all back. Okay, so we will start. Everybody together? Yes? Okay. Om
श्री चैतन्य
Vishnupadaya
नमस्ते
नमस्ते सरस्वती गौरवाणी निर्विशेष
पाश्चात्य
कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद
श्री कृष्ण प्रचलन में
कृष्ण कृष्ण हरे 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 राम 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 हरे 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 कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे राम हरे राम 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 हरे 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 कृष्ण 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 हरे बोल बोल हरे हरे राम हरे राम हरे कृष्ण हरे कृष्ण
Rama
हरे
Rama
राम
Rama Hare Hare Krishna Hare
कृष्ण
Krishna Krishna Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare Hare Rama 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 Hare Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama Rama Hare Hare Krishna Krishna
हरे हरे राम
Hare Rama Rama Hare Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare Rama Rama Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare Rama 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 Hare Hare, Hare Krishna Krishna, Krishna Krishna Hare Hare, Hare Rama Rama, Rama Rama Hare Hare, Hare Krishna Krishna, Krishna Krishna Hare Hare, Hare Rama Rama, Rama Rama Hare Hare.
Hare Krishna Mataji. It's Deepak. I have one question.
Oh, yes, Deepak.
How did Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu be to how is Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu the same as Lord Krishna? Is Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu when Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu was not Lord Krishna, Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu prayed to Krishna a lot. Then Lord Krishna gave Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu blessings. Then Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu has that's how the Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu was Krishna. I can figure out.
Yes. You know what? You know, Krishna, he comes time and again, right? You know, he comes in different incarnations. Like sometimes he comes as Matsya Avatar, you know, to save the Veda. Sometimes he comes as Kurma Avatar when they were churning the ocean of milk. Isn't it? Sometimes he comes as Narsimha Dev to save Prahlad. Remember? So like that, Krishna, Krishna and Radharani, right? You know that, right? Radharani and Krishna, Radha Krishna. So Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, he came down with the mood of Radharani, but he's Krishna himself. So he's the combination of Krishna and Radharani. Okay, like in other incarnations, he came in the age of Kali Yuga because he wanted to experience, Radharani, she loves Krishna so much. We have heard so many Krishna stories, right? Where the gopis and Radharani, they love Krishna so much. So like that, Krishna wanted to feel, oh, how come Radharani is loving me so much? I want to experience that love. So then he came as Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Okay, so he is the incarnation of both Krishna and Radharani because he wanted to experience that love.
Oh, okay? So it's just Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu came as a form of Lord So Krishna came as a form of Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu.
Yes. So he is God himself, but he came as a devotee because he wanted to experience that love. So he is in the mood of a devotee here. Okay. Now can I proceed with the class, Deepak?
Yes.
You can ask questions later. Okay. Any more questions later? Thank you.
Okay, Mataji.
Okay, now let us see today's story. You know how Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is going to tell some of the devotees who they actually are. You know, because many devotees we have seen how we saw, who is Haridas Thakur. Haridas Thakur, he is Lord Brahma. Do you remember? Even yesterday also you heard, right? The story of Sachi Mata seeing Nityananda Prabhu. Yes, Krishna Balram. Yes. Okay, so who is Nityananda Prabhu? We all know he is Balramji. Like that, he's going to make some of the devotees realize like who they actually are. So today we'll start with Murari Gupta's story. Oh, Murari Gupta, he's one of a very intimate associate of Lord Chaitanya. But he actually is a great devotee of Lord Ram and Sita. In the picture I've shown here, he has these deities. These are the deities of Murari Gupta, Sita, Ram, Lakshman, Hanumanji. Okay. So, but Chaitanya Mahaprabhu told him, you know what? He told him, please worship Krishna. Okay. From today onwards, please worship Krishna. So, because Chaitanya Mahaprabhu has given an instruction, so Murari Gupta, he couldn't just, refuse it, right? When your teachers give instruction, when your parents give instruction, you just refuse it? No. So like that, but in the night, when he was sleeping, he just tried to think about Krishna because Chaitanya Mahaprabhu had given him the instruction. So he tried to focus on Krishna, but you know what? Only images of Lord Ram kept on coming. He tried so hard, but you know, the whole night he could not sleep. So next morning, you know, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu came and he saw that, you know, that Murari Gupta had not slept the whole night. And he was looking very distracted and depressed. Then he asked him, you know, Murari Gupta, what happened? Why are you like this? He said, you know, you gave me one instruction to follow, that, you know, so that I should worship Krishna. But, you know, the whole night I kept on tossing and turning, but I could not focus on Krishna. I could not, you know, remember him. Only the images of Lord Ram kept on coming. So, you know what I should do? Because I cannot even follow one instruction that you gave me, so I will just give up my life in the Ganges water. So hearing this, you know, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu became very happy and he just hugged him because he told him, you are a true devotee of Lord Ram. You know, because it showed that, you know, he was not pretending. Like many people, they pretend, you know, oh, I'm this great devotee of Lord, you know, somebody, you know, they will say like that, but they're not actual devotees, you know, they are all pretenders. So, but that's what Chaitanya Mahaprabhu just wanted to test him, you know, like that. But he was very happy because Murari Gupta at heart, you know, he was a true devotee of Lord Ram. And we will see in the next story who actually is Murari Gupta, you know, who is he in Gaura Leela. So, you know, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, like that, you know, he wanted everybody to only worship and chant the names of Krishna. But if any devotee, you know, they had a strong attachment to other deity, so Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, he would easily accept it. Okay, so now let's see some pastimes. Okay, we all know Advaita Acharya. Remember Advaita Acharya? He is the one who prayed. You know, he prayed within his heart and he was so sad that, you know, everybody in Kali Yuga, they had become so materialistic, you know. They were not taking the names of Lord. So he was seeing the condition of these people. He felt very sad and upset. So, and who is Advaita Acharya? Advaita Acharya is the incarnation of Mahavishnu and Sadashiva. So what did he do? You know, to ask the Lord, you know, because he sincerely wanted the Lord to come and save all these people, you know, he fasted and he worshipped, you know, Shaligram, Shila and Tulsi with Ganges water. And he used to pray and chant loudly the names. And he would call the Lord, please come down, please listen, please save all these people. You know, they have forgotten you. They have become so materialistic. So like that, he used to pray, you know, very sincerely. And Advaita Acharya, he had 6 children, of which, you know, 3 were devotees. But the 3 other they were just caste brahmanas, you know. They were not true devotees of the Lord. So, but an Advaita Acharya, though he was incarnation of Mahavishnu and Sadashiva, but he's not qualified to, you know, give the love of Godhead, to give the love of Krishna to these people. So that's why he was praying. So Lord Chaitanya, he knew this, you know, because he had not seen Advaita Acharya yet. So one day he asked Ramdas Pandit, you know, he was one of the brothers of Srivas Thakur. So he told him to go and tell Advaita Acharya that, you know, the person for whom he had fasted and worshipped with Tulsi and Shaligram Chila, and he was for whom he had chanted so loudly, that person has already descended on this earth and he has come. So please come and meet him. And, you know, then Ramdas Pandit, he went to Advaita Acharya's house and he told him, you know, what Chaitanya Mahaprabhu told. So what happened, you think? Immediately, you know, Advaita Acharya, he started dancing and shouting, Hari Bol, Hari Bol. Oh my God, he felt so happy. He felt that Lord has come now. But then suddenly he realized, how do I know that he is the true Lord? How do I know that he is not a fake person? Mataji, please, I request you to kindly be on mute. So he was feeling, how can I, believe him? Because he could be a pretender, because I have been fasting and everybody, let's not. I have been fasting and everybody knows that I was praying for the Lord to come and descend on this earth. So he said, to Ramdas Pandit, I'm not going to come. I'm going to hide in the village. If he is my Lord, he will come in front of me. He will call my name and, I can see the effulgence from him. And then, he will keep his lotus feet on my head. Only then I can believe. So like that, what? Advaita Acharya was hiding in the village. But then, his wife, Sita Thakurani, she came with the Aarti plate. And Advaita Acharya asked, why are you taking the Aarti plate? What is the need? He said, if he is the Lord, then we should offer him Aarti. So then, like that, Ramdas Pandit, he just went. But before even he could tell anything to Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, he knew that Haridas Thakur was not coming. So he started shouting and calling out his name. Nara, 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 Nara is Advaita Acharya. Come out, please come out. I know you are hiding. Please come and meet me. On hearing this, what happened? On hearing this, Advaita Acharya was so happy. He immediately came out. And as soon as he saw Lord Chaitanya, he immediately offered his obeisances. And then Lord Chaitanya kept his lotus feet on his head. And then he saw, the Brahman effulgence, the light coming out from the body of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. He saw Nityananda Prabhu and all the other associates who were, showing him chamar and who were offering their prayers. It was such a beautiful sight. And then he immediately took the Aarti plate from his wife and he started offering the Aarti. So that's why, what, we also offer Aarti. Do you know we offer the Sandhya Aarti where we sing the Kiba Jaya Gora Chandar? Does everybody know the Aarti, Gora Aarti? Does anybody know? We offer that Aarti in the evening. If you go to the temples, you can hear them sing. It's such a beautiful, beautiful Aarti song written by Bhakti Vinod Thakur. So like that, he was offering the Aarti. And then Chaitanya Mahaprabhu said, okay, Advaita Acharya, now please ask for any boon that you want. But Advaita Acharya said, no, I don't want to ask anything. You have fulfilled your wish. What can I ask? What happens if Chaitanya Mahaprabhu asks us for a boon? What would you tell? Does anybody want to share? What would they say if they ask you for a boon? Does anybody wants to say? Share.
It's Deepak.
Deepak, yes, you want to share? What do you want? What will you say if Chaitanya Mahaprabhu asks you for a boon? You can ask any one boon. What will you say?
Boot or what is it?
Boon means ask for anything you want. One thing that you want. Boon.
I would say yes. Forever. I would say yes.
You would say yes. Okay. Who was the other person? Who was the other person? Okay, I think Vrinda. Yes.
Can my sister go?
Yes.
I would say no. I like to say to Krishna to give me a one lotus flower.
Oh.
And Mataji, what I would say to Krishna to give me is that
Well, you will not have much time, so you have to say fast to me. What will you say?
So I wanted a really beautiful butterfly.
Oh, see, that is what we all ask. Subhadra, you want to share?
To go back to Krishna.
Oh, you will ask to go back to Krishna. Wonderful. Okay, you are all asking wonderful things. But see, Advaita Acharya, can I go? Later, Suchita, can I? everybody else, I'll ask later in the breakout room. If you come, I will ask later. Okay. Let me continue with the story because I have an interesting activity also for you. I want to see how much you remember. Okay. So see, Advaita Acharya, see, he's such a wonderful devotee. Something or the other. You know, we might even ask, can I have a toy? So that's how we are. But Advaita Acharya, he said, no, I'm happy with what, because they have descended. But then Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, he insisted, no, you have to ask for something. So then he said that, people who don't have the opportunity to worship you, who don't have the opportunity to develop love for you, please give
like
them.
The product, not like the real form is scary.
No. Can everybody please be on mute? I kindly request. So he said, people who are not fortunate enough, to please give them pure love. Please give them your mercy. And then he said, people who are very proud spiritually and they think, oh no, they know everything. That because they are born in a king's family or because they are born as brahmanas, they feel that, oh, they know everything and they are supposed to get the mercy of the Lord. And those who, often devotee do not treat the devotees of the Lord, properly, those people should not get your mercy. So Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, he granted him that boon. But you know what? Advaita Acharya, whenever they used to meet each other, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, he would always offer his respects to Advaita Acharya because Advaita Acharya was very senior and he was initiated by Madhavendra Puri. Okay, so that's why he always used to respect him. So, but once what did Advaita Acharya do? Because he did not want Chaitanya Mahaprabhu to offer him respects, because he said he's supreme personality. How can you always show me respect, pay respects like that? So one day he started talking about, Mayavad's philosophy, like, that we are all one, then there is no form of Krishna, all those things. He started so many, speaking like that. And Chaitanya Mahaprabhu got very angry. He chastised him. He scolded him, said, stop speaking all this nonsense. What are you speaking? So hearing this, Advaita Acharya became very, very happy that, oh, Mahaprabhu scolded me, Mahaprabhu, he, I disrespected him. He did not like it. He was so happy like that. See, devotees, they don't want any respect. They're always, they think that, that they are the people who are the lowest. That's how pure and true devotees think like that. Okay, so one other pastime is we heard about Murari Gupta, isn't it? So now we will see why he's actually devotee of Lord Ram. Why could he not think about Krishna? So during one such, Mahaprakash pastime, what happened? Murari Gupta saw, like, he's Chaitanya Mahaprabhu showed him that he's actually who? He's none other than Hanuman. So he saw that not only he could see, but he could feel. When he looked at his body, Murari Gupta, he saw that, oh, he has the body of a monkey. And then he saw Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, Lord Ramachandra. He had, greenish skin. He had bows and arrows. He was so shocked. He just fainted. But then when he got up later in the morning, he saw, oh, then he looked at himself. And then he realized, oh, then that who he is actually in his previous, who is actually. So like that, Mahaprabhu, he would reveal to his devotees who they actually are. But most of the time, he was not revealing his true form, like, that he's actually God. But sometimes he would show his devotees who they are and who he is. So one another such pastime is where, we know how Haridas Thakur was beaten at 21 marketplaces. Yes. So like that, Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu said, how you were beaten. And when I was ready to chop the heads of the people who were beating you, what did he pray? Haridas Thakur prayed, please spare them. Please don't do anything to them. Please forgive them. I have forgiven them. Please, Lord, don't trouble them. So, but what did Chaitanya Mahaprabhu do? Because he could not do anything, so he took the beatings of Haridas Thakur on his back and he showed Haridas Thakur, how, there were marks of beatings on his back. So seeing this, what? Haridas Thakur, he fainted immediately. he could not bear seeing the marks on the Lord's body. You know, so that's how, you know, the devotees are. They are very, very compassionate, you know. But the Lord is also, you know, he's very dear. The devotees are very much dear to him. So like that, you know, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu was, you know, having pastimes, wonderful pastimes with his devotees. So when, you know, people would say, you know, you are Krishna, then, you know, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu would immediately cover his ears. And he would say, what you are saying? No, I am just a devotee. Well, nobody, you know, like that he would tell all his associates and the people. Okay, so now we will do a very nice activity. So I want you, because I told you who is who. So, you know, there is one side I have given the names of the devotees. On the other side is the picture which shows who they are actually in Gaur Leela. Okay. So because we are doing Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's pastime, so you have to tell me. Okay. So let me see. I want to skip it. If you do like that, it is fine. Okay, so you should raise your hand. Okay, you all have to raise your hand. See, I have some of the names 1 to 6. So 6 people will get the chance. Let's see who can answer.
Hare Krishna Mataji, it's Deepak. Can I answer?
No, I will ask somebody else, Deepak. Is that okay? See, I have to give others also a chance, right? So let me see. Let me choose somebody. If they don't raise the hand, I want to choose. Okay, Palvit has raised the hand. So Palvit, do you know who Haridas Thakur is? There are some pictures. Is it A, B, C, D, E or F? You have to tell me. Palvit, you want to come on the video and tell me who Haridas Thakur is? What did you say, Palvit?
F.
What is F? What is the picture F? What does picture F show?
Krishna.
That is Balramji. Is Haridas Thakur Balramji in Gaur Leela?
No.
No. In Gaur Leela, he's Haridas Thakur. But actually, who is he?
Ding, ding.
Okay, let me go to the next person. Okay. Vrinda, you want to answer, Vrinda? Who is Haridas Thakur? Haridas Thakur is actually
Brahma.
Which is the, you have to tell me, is it A, B, C, D or E?
B.
B. Very good. It is. Oh no, Subhadra, don't do that. It will not come. Okay. Okay, now second is Murari Gupta. Okay. Madhav, you want to answer? Who is actually Murari Gupta? Madhav, you want to answer me? Do you know? Is it picture A? Hanuman. D. Very good. Very good. I want to see. I cannot see. Okay. Now third is Advaita Acharya. So I have Garima. Garima, you want to say who is Advaita Acharya? I just put one picture.
Yes. Advaita Acharya is Mahavishnu.
Yes, Mahavishnu and Sadashiva. Yes, very correct. Okay. Now I have Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Let me see somebody else. Okay, let me see. Okay. Who else wants to answer? There is Janavi, Mayuk. There is Meet. Balram. Who raised their answer? Who raised their hand? Oh, Shrisha, you want to answer? Who is Chaitanya Mahaprabhu? Picture.
A.
You don't see properly. What is A? What is picture A?
Chaitanya Mahaprabhu.
No. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is who actually? He is the incarnation of which picture? A is not Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. A is somebody who is holding a veena. So that is not Chaitanya Mahaprabhu at all. Okay, Mayuk, you want to answer? Mayuk, who is Chaitanya Mahaprabhu? Which picture?
E.
Yes. E. He is the incarnation of Krishna and Radharani. Both of them together is Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Very nice. Okay, now Nityananda Prabhu. Let me see who can answer.
Hare Krishna Mataji, can I do?
Who is that?
Tanvik.
Tanvik. Okay, go ahead, Tanvik.
Tanvik. So Nityananda Prabhu is the incarnation of Lord Balaram.
And that is picture.
Mataji's Kaushik, can I go?
Kaushi. Oh, okay. Okay, very nice, Tanvik. Very nice. Okay, Shrivas Thakur. You want to go, Kaushi?
Yes. Hare Krishna Mataji. D.
Thakur, I told you the story also. No, that is E is the picture of what?
Hare Krishna Mataji, it's Deepak. Can I say what's for Srivas Thakur?
You want to say for Srivas Thakur?
Okay. I would say A.
Who is, wait. Who is talking?
Deepak.
No, somebody else was also talking. I could hear, but I don't know. Okay. Yes. Meet, you wanted to say? Thank you, Deepak. Let me hear from Meet. Yes, but who is A? Who is A? Telling me. Who is A? A, but who is he?
Narada Muni.
Yes, Narada Muni. Okay, thank you for doing the activity so wonderfully. Now let's do the shloka and the rhyme, and we will, invite Anjana Gopika Mataji. Hari Bol.
Hari Bol, Hari Krishna.
Hare Bol. Hare Bol. Hare Krishna. Hare Bol. What was it?
Yes, can you repeat after me? Karpanya dosa pahata svabhava.
Karpanya dosa svabhava.
Karpanya dosa svabhava.
Karpanya dosa svabhava.
Prichyami tvam dharma samudacetaha. Yashreyasyan Nishitam bruhitan me. Yashreyasyan Nishitam bruhitan me. Sisyaste hamsadi Mantam prapannam. Okay, we'll repeat one more time. Okay, Karpanya doso pahata svabhava.
Karpanya dosa svabhava.
Prichyami. Can you all repeat? Prichyami. After me, you all after me. New kids are morning they can. Last.
Go there.
Arpanya doso pahata svabhava. Prithyami tvam dharma mudacetaha. Janusritam bruitan me.
This is
Isyaste hamsadimam tvam prapannam. Mataji, can you take us in a rhyme?
Mataji, Shama and Vrinda want to go.
Yes, we'll go to the break room, okay, after this one. The 9 process of devotional service.
The 9 processes of devotional service.
Chanting, remembering. Serving the lotus feet, worshipping, serving the lotus feet. Worshipping, praying, servantership. Seeing the Lord as
devotional
a friend, surrendering. Hare Krishna, Krishna,
Hare Krishna, Krishna Hare Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama,
Can you go to the break?
Hare Rama.
Okay, you can raise your hand.
Hare.
You all raise your hand. Jahnavi wants to go. Jahnavi, Balavrinda, and then who is there? I don't know. Okay, Jahnavi, want to go? Yes, Pahata Shababa. Yes, sir. Sisyasaham sadiram. Nice. The 9 processes.
The 9 processes of devotional service are hearing, chanting, remembering, serving the lotus feet, worshiping, praying,
Servantership.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare.
Okay, thank you. Balavrinda, can you go? After that, Madhav, Tushtita, Tanvik, Neet. Okay?
Swabhava Prachami Dandana Zambora Chetaha
यशयस्थानिश्चितं ब्रूहि तन्मे श्रेयसा महिमां प्रपन्नम्. Thank you, Mataji. I want to say the 9 process of devotional service. Hearing, chanting, remembering, serving the Lord, lotus feet, worshiping prayers, praying the sheep, seeing the Lord as my friend, and surrendering. Hare Krishna. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
Thank you, Balavrinda. Madhav, can you go next?
Karpanya dosho kahate svabaha Tityami tvam dharma samura chetaha yachnayasa nishitam bruhitam me shishyasteham swadi Mam Prabhupada. The 9 process of devotion service are hearing, chanting, remembering, serving the lotus feet of worshiping, praying. Seeing the Lord as a friend. And surrendering. Hare Krishna. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna. Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
Thank you so much. Thank you, Madhav. To Sita, can you go next?
Yes.
कार्पण्य दोषोपहत स्वभावः पृच्छामि त्वां धर्म सम्मूढचेता यच्छ्रेयस्यानिश्चितं ब्रूहि तन्मे शिष्यस्तेऽहं शाधि मां त्वां प्रपन्नम्.
Can you do the other also? Tanvik and Meet also, that rhyme together?
Yeah.
Because we may not have time. Then 3 person do the rhyme together.
Okay. Worshipping, praying, surrendership, seeing Lord the friend, and Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Hare
Thank you, Tushita. Do you want to share the rhyme? Sloka, do you want to share the sloka? Yes, yes, go ahead. Who is there? Tanvik or Meet? Whoever want to go.
Me, Tanvik.
Go ahead.
So, Karpanyadosho Vahatun Swabhava Vichamitam Dharmasam Odacheta Yashtreyashanishitam Bruritanmi Shishyasteham Sadimam Ta Prapannam.
Thank you. Meet, can you go next, Meet?
Yes.
Yes, Karpanyadosha.
Karpanyadosho
Vahata Swabhava
Vardhapsavaha Bhava
Pachami
Swami
Tva
Dharma
Sammude
Sammute Cheta
Yasrayasyan
Yashcheya
Yashaya
Syani
Sami
Shita
Shita
Bruhi
Luhi
Tanme
Tane
Shishya
Yashya
Steham
Nisleha
Shadi
Ma
Twa
Twa
Prapannam.
Prabhanama.
Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna Mata ki.
Thank you,
Thank
Meet.
you.
Thank you, Tanvik, Tushita. Everyone, thank you.
you.
Thank you. We are almost joining another class. Now pay our obeisance to all the Vaishnava devotees. Once
कल्पतरुभ्यस्य कृपासिन्धुभ्येव पतितानां पावनेभ्यो वैष्णवेभ्यो नमो नमः। अनंत कोटि वैष्णव वृंद की जय, श्रील प्रभुपाद की जय, श्यामरूपनी माता जी की जय, अंजना गोपिका माता जी की जय। थैंक यू माता जी। हरे कृष्ण
माता जी। बाय।
हरे कृष्ण माता जी।